I sit and watch me baby work a coffee machine, drinking Cafe Negro till me face turns green. I want to hold me baby but the counter's in between. I got the low light coffee bar blues. Cappuccino, Cafe Negro, what's a man to do? Cappuccino, Cafe Negro, all the whole night through. Me baby sells me coffee, but that's all she'll do. Last night I saw my baby in a lovely dream. She stretched her tender arms out through a cloud of steam. She was reaching for the handle of a cafe cream. I got the low light coffee bar blues. Cappuccino, Cafe Negro, what's a man to do? Cappuccino, Cafe Negro, all the whole night through. My baby sells me coffee, but that's all she'll do. My baby puts her apron on at 10:30, pulls espresso until 2, then takes it off again. Is it love that keeps me wakeful or just caffeine? I got the low light coffee bar blues. Cappuccino, Cafe Negro, what's a man to do? Cappuccino, Cafe Negro, all the whole night through. My baby sells me coffee, but that's all she'll do. I've been looking at my baby now for half a year. The coffee I've been drinking's got me feeling clear. If baby doesn't love me soon I'll switch to beer. I got the low light, the coffee bar blue. Cappuccino, Cafe Negro, all the whole night through. Cappuccino, Cafe Negro, what's a man to do? My baby sells me coffee, sells me coffee, sells me coffee, what's a man to do? All children